My name is Cheryl Eichman, and I have been in the new home building industry for over 35 years.
My name is Stephanie Spahn, and I have been in the new home building industry for 8 years.
I'm Megan Zapes. I've been in the home building industry for 3 years.
My name is Sade Talaferro. I've been working in this industry for going on 3 years.
It is surprising to me that there aren't more women in this industry, and I'm not really sure why. Maybe because it's construction-based and it feels like it's something that males should do, but that's so far from the truth.
There's so much opportunity inside the industry, and it's not just construction. So it's not just you're going to be in the field building a house, working with your hands, right? New home construction is such a multifaceted system.
You know what, the possibilities are endless from any role that you can think of. You know, we even have women that's actually out in the, construction field that's killing it. She's really succeeding.
So I am a construction superintendent here for Arbor Homes. As a site superintendent, you are making sure that all of your homes are built correctly and on time. You manage those schedules as well as your relationship with your contractors, and you make sure that the site is ready each time and that your homeowners are happy and they have a good experience as well.
The very best part about working with a builder is seeing the joy on a family's face.
Know that you're doing something good. You come in and you get your work done. You leave at the end of the day, but at the end of the day, it's rewarding because you've just helped someone build their potential dream home.
There's months and months of back end that happens when it goes into building a house. So it's not just, the construction portion is really just a small 3 to 6 month build time where you don't see the 6-9 years that happened before even getting to that spot.
We have so many different departments here. You think about HR, accounting, marketing, land, back-end data, drafting, sales. There's so many departments that women can get involved in. And this industry is not just for men, it's for women too.
I think that there's opportunities across the board for women to come in and do a really great job and contribute a lot to this industry. So my daughter is just one of many small girls or young women that I can hope to inspire one day. I want her to know that you can do anything that you put your mind to. It won't always be easy. It'll have bumps in the road and obstacles that you'll have to face, but if you're willing to do that and you're willing to put in the work, then you can achieve anything you'd like. Don't think that just because something is supposed to be a certain way that you can't break those barriers and change things up and enter a field that may fit your personality but may break the stereotypes.
Don't let anyone put you in a box of what you should be, what you should look like, how you should feel. You have that right to go out and be and do anything you want.